raise a glass and say happy birthday to Bono, whose birthday is at midnight tonight. Thank you very much. Happy birthday. Not you, mate. Yours was yesterday. Yeah. But seriously, thanks to the band, who's done a cracking job, I think. Yeah? Oh, surely, yous can do better than that. For the band, please. Thanks, lads. And like, I'm going on and on and on, yeah, I know, yeah. Just one more thing is like, tonight we're having a bit of a party in Sadburge, and there's one thing that they know how to do in Sadburge, and it's, they know how to throw a party! Cheers,